And now I remember that I got this for the monkey. It's a short one today. I'm just going to do a quick video on Optimate battery charger, battery tender, trickle charger, whatever you want to call it. So I've got one of these. It's an Optimate 3 and I've had it for a while, but I have not yet plugged it into the monkey or to the Lambretta. So these two have been sitting for a couple of months now. Maybe had the monkey out once and maybe had the Lambretta out once. But generally just been sitting in the garage. And I haven't had pigtails to put on them so that I could plug the Optimate charger in. So I've got a couple of pigtails, got them on Amazon, £9 each. So I'm just going to fit them today. So just a few minutes, I'll show you taking the seats out, connecting to the battery, and then plugging the Optimate in. And that's it. Optimate charger. 2 of. So it's the Optimate 01 SAE eyelet lead M6 bolt size. So yeah, just get them on. We'll get the monkey on first. As usual, there's one bolt to take the seat off the monkey. It's a 12 millimeter, and the nut or the bolt is just in here, and then the same in the other side. 12 mil. And then that easily just slides off there and exposes the battery. So we simply loosen that one. Oh okay. So there's a battery charger pigtail there already, which I didn't know about, but I do not think that's the right size for me, although I think it actually is. So there you go. Oh well, excellent. So I've saved a bit of time. There's already an Optimate 3 charger lead on there. And now I remember that I got this for the monkey. So that explains why I got this for the monkey, because I've already got a pigtail on there. So that's the monkey done, and I didn't even have to do anything. So anyway, we've still got the Lambretta to do. Okay, so because I've already got the older Optimate pigtail on there, all I need to do is plug this in and we should be good to go. And there we go. And that's it charging. Okay, excellent. Oh well, that has saved me a bit of time. I didn't realise, or I'd forgotten there was a pigtail on that for the charger. Okay, so I've got the other Optimate there. Oh, good. That just means I can run two at the same time then. Okay, so now I need to get the battery cover off of the Lambretta, and we can get that fitted. So for the Lambretta, I believe the battery's in here. I've not had this off, but I've read that that's where the battery is. So 4 Phillips screws, and we'll take that cover off, and then we should be able to just put the pigtail on. What's interesting though is I'm not sure I'll be able to feed that anywhere, so it looks like I'm going to have to take this off anytime I want to put the battery on trickle charge. But anyway, we'll see how we go. So like I said, 4 Phillips screws to come out. Okay, and there we go. Battery. So That's the first time I've had the battery cover open there, so I wasn't actually sure it was in there. There we go, battery. So we will loosen this one, stick a pigtail on it, and yeah, anytime I want to use the trickle charger, I'm just going to have to take this cover off and charge. So let's do that. Take the negative off first. And like so. Okay. Nice and tight. There we go. Pretty straightforward, and obviously quite a handy thing to do in the winter. Just tuck this in neatly, as neatly as I can, and then whilst we're trickle charging, we'll keep the cover off it just now. So there we go. S01 connector, I think it is. Optimate 01 connector. It's quite a tight fit, but just whack all that in there. And plug this in. And there we go. So that's it. It's looking green with some amber. Detected it as a gel battery. I think green is good, and I'm just going to leave that for a bit until it gives me a tick. So that's it. 2 Optimates. I had 2 Optimates, I didn't realise why, but now I know that when I bought the monkey, the chap gave me an Optimate with it. But I didn't know there was a pigtail on until I lifted the seat off. So the pigtail I bought, yeah, I've now got one on the Lambretta, and the other Optimate 3 is now connected. Both are charging. That'll get me ready in time for spring, hopefully get out before spring. But yeah, that's them done. So the only thing I could do, which I think I will do, rather than send the other pigtail back, is I will put that on the Kawasaki. I'll put this one on the Versus, because the Versus doesn't have one either. And that'll allow me to use the newer Optimate with the Lambretta and with the Versus, and the older Optimate can be used for the monkey. So good, that's just a quick video how to stick Optimate pigtails on and keep your batteries healthy over the winter. Something I should have stuck on a couple of months ago, but I'm just getting round to it now. But yeah, all good. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.